Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealthy Habits. Today, I want to talk about something that I know a lot of people who want to start investing want to know. How to invest your first $1,000. Now, I know that investing can seem overwhelming and confusing, especially if you're just starting out, but I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be that way. With a little bit of knowledge and some guidance, you can start building your portfolio and grow your money. First things first. Let's talk about why investing is so important. When you invest your money, you're essentially giving it the opportunity to grow and compound over time. This means that even if you're only investing a small amount of money at first, it has the potential to grow into something much larger over time. So, how do you get started? The first thing you need to do is to decide where you want to invest your money. There are a lot of different options out there, from stocks to bonds to real estate and cryptocurrency. Each one has its own pros and cons, so it's important to do your research and figure out which one is the best fit for you. Personally, I would prefer starting with a mix of low-cost index funds and ETFs. These are investments that track a broad market index, like the S&P 500, and are a great way to get exposure to a wide range of different stocks and sectors. They are also relatively low cost, which means that you'll be able to keep more of your money working for you. Another option for beginners is Robo-advisors. These are online platforms that use algorithms to create a customized investment portfolio for you. All you have to do is answer a few questions about your risk tolerance and investment goals, and the Robo-advisor will handle the rest. It's a great way to get started with investing without having to worry about picking individual stocks or managing your portfolio on your own. The drawback is that it usually has a higher cost than investing in index funds. Once you've decided where you want to invest your money, it's time to start thinking about how much you want to invest. As a general rule of thumb, it's a good idea to start small and gradually increase your investment over time. This way, you can get a feel for how the markets work and make any necessary adjustments to your portfolio as you go. It's also important to remember that investing is a long-term game. It's not something that you're going to get rich from. It's important to have patience and not to get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. One thing to keep in mind is that investing always comes with some degree of risk. It's important to understand that the value of your investments can go down as well as up. To minimize the risk, it's important to diversify your portfolio and invest in a mix of different assets. This way, if one investment doesn't perform well, it won't have a huge impact on your overall portfolio. Another thing to keep in mind is that you should not invest money that you might need in the short term. You should only invest money that you can afford to lose without affecting your lifestyle. Finally, it's important to remember that investing is a process, and it takes time to see the results. But with the right mindset and a little bit of patience, you can start building a solid investment portfolio that will help you achieve your financial goals. Investing your first $1,000 can seem daunting, but it can be a great way to start building your wealth. Remember to do your research, start small, and have patience. And for more Wealthy Habits tips that will put you on your way to financial freedom, watch this video next.